Crew 9 docks with the ISS, Vulcan Certification Flight 2 lifts off, and China launches a reusable satellite, so let's talk about it. This week began with something pretty interesting, and that's that China launched a reusable satellite, which will conduct several experiments, including space breeding when it's in space, which it is right now, and several other nations, including Thailand and Pakistan, have payloads on board this mission. Haig and Gorbanov headed to the ISS on Crew 9 on the 28th of September. Crew 9 will rescue the Starliner crew, who've been stuck in there for a few months, in February when it returns to Earth. Crew 9 launch was not a complete success though, because the second stage suffered an abnormal deorbit burn, which led to an off-target landing, which increased risk, leading to the FAA temporarily grounding Falcon 9 so they can investigate. But don't worry, the astronauts are fine. Vulcan has launched yet again after its first successful launch in January. This time it wasn't carrying a doomed lunar lander, it was carrying a mass simulator. This was on the 4th of October. The launch was successful despite an anomaly with the SRBs. As you can see, there are some sparks throughout the burn, and one of the engine plumes is significantly bigger than the other. This was a failure with the rocket nozzle, which got damaged in some way. I'm pretty sure some of it fell off. But because of Falcon's great design, I think this is what that shows, it has a great design, Vulcan survived the flight and was able to get into orbit. There are more launches next week, so let's talk about the launches next week. October 7th, Hera is going to be launched to the same binary system that the DART mission went to, and it will perform a survey of the result of the DART impact and even land on one of the asteroids. And the Europa Clipper on the 10th, which is going to go to Europa to search for life and will arrive in Europa in 2030. Hopefully, we'll be talking about the successful launch of these missions next week. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. Bye-bye.